Hi everybody, this is Pete, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Camera Lucida's Save and Restore Drawing Session features. These features enable you to create a drawing, to not complete it, but then to continue drawing with it later on without having to worry about how to line up the sketch that you did with the reference image. In the past that was difficult. Now with this new feature, it's all done automatically. Yesterday, I created this sketch of my dog, and let's say that I wanted to continue drawing with it. It's as easy as hitting the upper left-hand menu and selecting the Restore Draw Session button that has the up arrow next to it. When you do that, you get a list of all of the sessions that you've saved up to now, and each one has a thumbnail of the reference image on the left and a thumbnail of the sketch on the right. You select the one that you want to restore, and then you just make sure that somewhere within the view of the camera is the drawing that you have partially done. And on the top, it gives you a snapshot of what it looked like when you hit the Save button. Once you've done that, you just hit the Restore, and the application is going to look on your drawing surface for that image, and once it finds it, it's going to automatically realign things for you. Now this works regardless of whether you're using the front camera or the back camera. And once it's done that, you can just hit the Draw button and be done and start drawing again. Let me show you a different way that works. Okay, so let's say that I've got this drawing right here and I want to restore this drawing session. All I do is just put it down in front of my camera and go to the upper left-hand menu and then say Restore Draw Session. And I select this one right here that says Demo 1. And it shows me the drawing that it's looking for, which is right there. It shows me my camera view. And then I just hit the Restore button. And once again, what it's going to do is it's going to load the reference image that you are using. It's going to automatically line up the reference image with the sketch that you've done. And then all you have to do is to go into the draw mode. So how did I create those sessions? Well, once you're in the actual drawing mode and you're drawing and everything, if you want to save what you've done, it's really easy. You just hit the arrow that's pointing down in the upper right-hand corner. When you hit that button, what you get here is a menu option that looks very much like the Restore session, but this is the Save session. And all you do is you tap to add a new session. And when you do that, you can enter in some text if you'd like. It shows you an actual photograph of your drawing surface, and then you can just hit Save. It's really that simple. So when you're in the drawing mode, you can save your sessions, and then when you're in the setup mode, you can restore your sessions. I just went to the setup mode, and if I was to say, restore my draw session, you'll see that one that I just created on top. And since I didn't enter any text, it was just called Unnamed Drawing Session, but it shows you when the drawing was done and everything. These features allow you to be able to create a drawing, to be able to stop drawing, and then to be able to restore that drawing session without having to worry about how to line things up.